Oh,
there we
it
go.
goes a little bit better.
Wow.
Yeah.
Maybe it has to get
cool,
going.
Though.
Yeah, that is pretty cool, isn't it?
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. It was like the grand finale, huh?
Yeah. Okay, now what next? Okay, we have some bottle rockets that we're going to shoot. Want to do the bottle rockets?
But we don't have a bottle, so we're going
No.
to shoot it towards that way, and hopefully we don't hit nobody.
I don't think so. Can I be careful? Remember, safety first. I don't even see where. Oh, there it is. Woo!
Holy crap. Whoa, look at the smoke.
Yeah. Oh, that was pretty fun. Now get a dial. You want to do another one?
Yeah.
And then we'll do a few fireworks.
All right.
Okay. And then where is it? There it is.
Away we go. Whoa!
Wow, that's pretty cool. Okay.
Not smoke though, huh?
Really, PU. Okay,
Hey, you
now
want to hear some boom booms?
Yeah. Now what?
We love boom booms.
Yeah, it's so dark and out here, guys. Sorry about that.
Well, that's the only way.
Yeah, that's the only way to see
Short
fireworks.
Boom boom.
Yeah. Oh, you should not light it in your hand, sweetheart. Safety first.
Well, hon, if the I got it.
Okay. Now, Rose not thinking safety first, so I'm going to back up. Way far.
Okay, ready? Boom booms.
Whoa, that one took off.
It was trying to get me.
Okay, then what do we have next?
Well, we got, that's it.
Oh, okay. Do you do one more firework?
All right, let's do one more boom
Booms?
booms.
Yeah, boom booms. I love hearing boom booms.
It's a little late here at night, and we don't want to
piss off the neighbors.
Exactly. This one's a little bit better. I mean, the fuse is a little longer on this one.
And then we have some sparklers we can play with. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Yay! Whoa, that one went right out the wheel. Yeah, okay. Now we have some sparklers we'll play with.
Hey, you want to stay here and I'll go get them?
Yeah. I can sit down on a chair like we did before.
Okay.
And my legs are starting to hurt.
All right.
Okay.
Did we bring the sparklers out?
Yes.
Oh, there they are. And these are colored ones too.
Yeah. That thing was that we didn't want to do too many boom booms because it's like almost 10 o'clock at night. So.
Yeah, we don't want to make people angry.
Right.
So here we go, everybody.
Okay.
Okay.
Now the person we bought off of, they said that it's a. Where's the?
Here.
Okay, they said that these are different colors, so we'll see.
Okay. Let me light yours.
There we go.